To block apps from using mobile data on iOS and iPadOS, open the Settings app. Tap on Mobile Service. Scroll down until you see the list with all your installed apps. Select the app you want to block from mobile service and tap on the toggle switch to deactivate the mobile service for this app. This can be very helpful to save data when you are on limited data plans. Apps with deactivated mobile service can only use the internet connection when you are connected to a Wi-Fi. You can support our work with a donation via PayPal, becoming a Patreon, or via the donation page on our website. Thank you very much for your support.